Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review video. When was the last time I posted just a review video? It is overdue, and I feel like right now with everything going on, you need reviews because you have to be very choosy with what you're spending money on. A lot of us I know are not going to be shopping frivolously at all, but for those of you who are interested in still purchasing beauty products but maybe being a little bit more selective, I am here to bring you all the details and my thoughts on Truly Beauty. So I have 5 products I have been using. I have a lot of feedback to give you. I've been using them for a little while now. I can't wait to dive in and tell you everything. I do want to say quickly, I will have a link below for you to check out all of these products, and I do have a coupon code. If you'd like to order anything, the code is TrulyAW1. I will put it here on the screen. That code is not an affiliate one. It's strictly just a discount for you guys. So if you were interested in picking up any of these products, make sure to use that. Why not get a little discount while you're shopping? So let's get right into the goods. So first up is the CBD Jelly Anti-Acne Facial Cleanser from Truly Beauty. You can see I've put a really good dent into it. A little bit goes a long way with this too. I've been using my Clarisonic with this twice a day, and gosh, I've been using this for like 2 weeks now. So this lasts a very long time, but this one has CBD, salicylic acid, watermelon, agave nectar, and a vitamin A boost. This is vegan, clean, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. These products have really good ingredients, and I love the fact that you know exactly this has 200 milligrams of CBD. That is obviously a great ingredient for calming the skin. It's anti-inflammatory, which is honestly why I think this has been working so well for me. Before I get going on why I love this so much, I have to also tell you about the Truly Treat Breakout CBD Acne Patches. They come with 36, and you wear these overnight, but let me tell you guys, I have used a whole sheet and then this too. So I'm halfway through the pack, 36. So I've used 18 of them, and let me tell you guys, right now, I guess it's just the stress of everything going on. I'm having the worst breakouts of my life, and I know some of you are going to be like, bitch, I don't see a breakout on your face, and I totally get that, but makeup is really helping right now. I've got on some full coverage. The only thing that's making it less noticeable too is just like one here and there, but they have been really bad, like individual breakouts. I've been having the type of breakouts that start under the skin and are painful and then come to the surface, and they're very like gross, I guess is the best way to put it. You know, stuff needs to be released from the breakout, and these two things have been like the ultimate save for me. They have been amazing. So I've been cleansing with this twice a day. I do want to tell you guys this helps so much with my pores and my breakouts. So usually with a strictly salicylic acid product, I don't have a really good result. It mainly just makes me dry, and then I can't even use it. But because this has the agave, the CBD in it, the other ingredients that are really nourishing, I love this so much. This cleanser is amazing, so I'll give you guys one more look at that, but definitely recommend this if you are someone who has breakouts but maybe you're dry or normal skin and your skin gets stripped really easily, or you're like me and you're having like the worst stress breakouts ever. This is amazing because it'll clear up the breakout, it'll nourish the skin, and it's anti-inflammatory, which for me I think is one of the biggest things right now. And then for the patches, which again look like this, I think that these are amazing, especially for the type of breakouts I've been having. Like I said, the breakouts that I'm having, you guys know, ooh, nasty, but these actually help to like draw out those type of things like pus, fluid in the breakout, like dirt and grime and all that nastiness. You just put these on overnight. I have worn them throughout the day too, because honestly sometimes I've just been, you know, not doing anything all day. So when I used them for the first day and when I got the package, I was really excited, so I went ahead and put them on right away. That night I could already see a difference in my skin. I also have another breakout, which you may be able to see under the makeup even. It showed up yesterday and it's already going away now because I wore that patch overnight. And when I took the patch off, you could actually see where it was like the little section right in the middle was like full of fluid and stuff. It was so gross, but like so satisfying at the same time. So these have been an absolute godsend. Like I love these. Sorry, I meant for this to be a really brief video, but I just like these products so much. Okay, next I want to tell you about this mask. This is so good too. This is the Golden Leaf Resurface and Brighten CBD Face Mask. So this has 300 milligrams of CBD. It also has glycolic acid in it, 24 karat gold, and AHA BHA boost. So this one does a lot lot for your skin. It's firming and clarifying. It has antioxidants in it. So with this one, with the glycolic acid, obviously you're getting a little bit of that resurfacing and exfoliating. The CBD, once again, is nourishing, anti-inflammatory, and then it does have the 24 karat gold, which is a really good anti-aging benefit, and it's 300 milligrams of CBD. Cleanser I told you guys was 200, but since you're leaving this mask on and it's sitting on the skin, you're really soaking up all that CBD, and this is a really, really good combination. This one you can wear for 15 to 30 minutes. I think I wore mine for, I probably went over 30 minutes a little bit. I'll show you what it looks like on the hand. You have to try this one to see. This is what it looks like just fresh on the skin. Just looks like a nice little hydrating mask, but as it sits on the skin, it turns like gold and glittery, and it's so pretty. Absolutely love this mask. A surprising one, because sometimes the more hydrating masks aren't typically my favorite, but this one was like, okay, I love it. My skin was also beautifully prepped for makeup, so I would recommend using that one either before makeup or using it before bed, and getting your skin nice and nourished and prepped for bed I think would be a really great way to use it as well. Okay, one more thing for the face. This is the Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum. So this one has 100 milligrams of CBD. You can tell I've already put a big dent in this one. The bottle is so cool too. It's like glass and triangular. You can recycle the glass, which is really nice. Easily recyclable packaging. Nothing more I hate than like using up a product and getting to the end of it and being like, oh well, I just have to throw this in the bin. That kind of sucks. This one has a vitamin A, of course, your cannabis sativa, caffeine, and glycolic acid. So this one does a lot for your skin too. So this one, of course, will give your skin that glow. The glycolic acid is going to be good again for exfoliating the skin, but very, very gently. So if you're like a little bit scared of some exfoliation, this one is super, super gentle. And of course, with the CBD in it, it's going to be anti-inflammatory.
Seriously?
It is 8 o'clock at night. It's dark outside. And my neighbor is starting up the lawnmower for the 3rd time. So if you're someone who exfoliation maybe is a little bit much for you at times, this one's going to be a great way to go because of the other ingredients that are going to really balance it, be anti-inflammatory, soothing, and my skin loved this. Like, it's hydrating as well, so it does a little bit of everything. Okay, so the next item and the last item I was so excited about because it just looks beautiful. It's so aesthetically pleasing. This is the Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Butter. Yeah, I have been using it so much, so it may be a little oily on the top, but this is amazing. This again has 300 milligrams of CBD, which is so good for your skin. It also has matcha, acai, and collagen boost in it. If you want to take care of your skin on your body like as well as you do your face, this is probably what you want to pick up. But what is so intriguing about it is it looks like a unicorn rainbow, and you can see I've been digging in there. I will say I was not expecting this to be what it was. So when you see it in a picture, it looks like whipped and fluffy, like magical unicorn cotton candy, but it's actually quite different in person, but it's different in a really, really good way. So this is actually a pretty firm consistency in here. Like, I'm rubbing my finger in and just getting a little bit. So what I've been doing is just kind of picking up a tiny bit. You don't need much, and it comes out almost like semi-solid. So I'm going to show you just a little bit on my hand, and it melts into your skin like nothing else. It smells like sweet, a little bit perfume, like tiny bit, but then very sweet. It smells so good. I'm very particular with scents, and I love this one. So if you like sweet scents, I think you're gonna love this. But this is so amazing. It makes the skin look glowy all on its own. I've already put some of this on today, but my hands, of course, we're washing our hands so many times, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. But just so you can see the difference, like my skin is just like, you know, comfortable, and this just turns it up to like juicy skin. Do you see it? Oh my gosh. You may have seen me the other night on Instagram. I was putting it like on my chest and my collarbones and stuff. It gives you like that hydrated, supple, summery skin. So the one thing I was afraid about when I saw it was like, ooh, this may not last long, because if it's all whipped, sometimes those aren't as nourishing and they're very light and they dissipate very quickly. No, this is the opposite of that. So this is actually going to last me a very long time. You only need a tiny little bit and it spreads a ton. So I definitely overused it the first time because I was just expecting something different, but it is so good. Like, my skin feels so hydrated and comfortable right now. I have psoriasis on my legs. I am I'm fortunate that my psoriasis isn't bad, but on like my outer thighs, like right along the edges, I have like patches of psoriasis going down, and it's been itchy and really irritated lately, and I know that stress is playing a part in that. So I've been taking some of this and really massaging it in that area. The itchiness went away and it looks very soothed. Like the psoriasis is still there, but it's much better, and this has really made like the biggest difference. So as you can tell, I really love these products. I'm definitely going to have them linked below so you guys can check them out. Use that coupon code if you want to order anything. Might as well save 10% on your order if you do purchase. And thank you so much to Truly for sponsoring my video. It was such an easy decision because these products are so amazing. And so you guys know, I get requests to do sponsored videos constantly. That's not to brag at all, because a lot of times it's like stuff I am not interested in, things that I don't believe in, that I'm not going to tell you guys you should go buy. Heck no. Even though I am a small channel, I get offers a lot, and I'm pretty picky and choosy. These products made me feel very comfortable in telling you guys that I think you're gonna love them. I honestly stand behind that. Like, I feel like if you go and purchase, you're going to enjoy it. And yeah, so thank me later, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little review, and I hope you are hanging in there and doing okay while the craziness of the world is going on. And I'm here for you guys. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried any of these products, and let me know how you're doing. I'm here for you guys if you need to chat, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.